are pleased to show you the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, security alarm, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, trip computer, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry. Come see the car for yourself.